Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the 55 most expensive heavy equipment machines working at another level. These machines represent the pinnacle of engineering, combining advanced technology with incredible power. Let's dive in. First, let's look at some of the most expensive machines in the construction industry. Caterpillar D11 bulldozer. Known for its exceptional power and durability, a staple in large construction projects. R9800 excavator. One of the most massive and expensive excavators, essential for heavy-duty construction. Komatsu PC8000-6 excavator. With its immense digging power, it's a key player in the construction world. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator. Advanced technology meets raw power, making it a top choice for large-scale projects. Hitachi X8000-6 excavator. Renowned for its reliability and power in demanding construction environments. Next, we move on to the mining sector with some of the priciest machines. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. This colossal truck is crucial for large-scale mining, known for its immense load capacity. The LAZ 75710. The world's largest and one of the most expensive mining trucks, designed for the heaviest loads. Komatsu 980E4. A high-performance truck valued for its reliability and efficiency in mining operations. T284, offering unmatched efficiency and strength, perfect for the most challenging mining tasks. Hitachi EH5000AC3, combining advanced tech with brute strength, ensuring top productivity in mining. Now, let's look at some of the costliest machines in agriculture. John Deere S790 Combine. This high-efficiency combine harvester is a must-have for large-scale farming. Case IH Quadtrac 620. A powerful and expensive tractor designed for the most demanding agricultural tasks. Lexion 8900. Advanced technology and high capacity make this a top-tier choice for modern farming. New Holland CR 10.90. Known for its power and efficiency, it's essential for the biggest harvesting jobs. Fendt 1050 Vario, a high-performance tractor offering unparalleled power and versatility in agriculture. Let's check out some high-end machines in the logging industry. Hans Scorpion King, an advanced and costly harvester, designed for precise logging operations. John Deere 1470G, renowned for its cutting-edge technology and reliability in logging. Komatsu 931XC, combining power and efficiency, this harvester is perfect for tough logging tasks. TigerCat 875E log loader, designed for maximum productivity and durability in logging operations. Caterpillar 568 forest machine, known for its power and versatility, it's a key player in logging. Finally, let's look at some futuristic and expensive machines that are setting new standards. Tesla Cybertruck, an innovative electric truck combining efficiency with high performance. Caterpillar 794 AC mining truck, a next-generation mining truck designed for top efficiency and productivity. Komatsu D155AXI8 dozer, featuring intelligent machine control, a glimpse into the future of construction machinery. C950F crawler excavator, advanced technology combined with heavy-duty performance, focusing on sustainability. John Deere 8RX tractor, cutting-edge technology and power, designed for the future of farming. These 55 machines are not only the most expensive but also the most impressive examples of engineering excellence. If you enjoyed this look at the high-end heavy equipment working at another level, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.